first practice we're doing. Most of the teams are competing, I guess all of them. It's a good opportunity for us to test the boat, see the venue, see the race committee, find the committee boat, find the marks, get a few maneuvers in, maybe a little bit more than you would normally do to get everybody out of the home mood and get back into racing. And yeah, that's what we're trying to do today.
For us to put everything in place on the practice day gives us confidence, of course. We see that the equipment is okay, the boat is fast under all the conditions we had today.
I think we feel quite good prepared. We did some training this year to prepare for the Europeans. For sure this is our main event this year, so yeah, for sure this is a good training and a good preparation, so we feel quite strong in what we are doing here probably.